Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning about your iPhone a breeze. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to remove icons and widgets from your home screen on iPhone in 2025. With the latest iOS updates, managing your home screen has never been easier, helping you declutter and keep things organized. Whether you're tired of a messy layout or just want a minimalist vibe, this quick guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, let's start with removing icons. Open your iPhone and go to the home screen. Long press on any app icon until you see the icons start to jiggle. That's your editing mode. Once they're wiggling, tap on the minus sign in the corner of the icon you want to remove. A menu will pop up. Select Remove from Home Screen. Don't worry, this doesn't delete the app from your phone. It just takes it off the home screen so you can find it in your app library later. Easy, right? Now, onto widgets. Widgets are those handy little boxes that show info like weather or news. To remove one, long press on the widget itself until it jiggles. You'll see a minus sign appear, just like with icons. Tap that minus sign and choose Remove Widget. Poof! It's gone from your home screen, giving you more space for what matters. A quick tip: if you accidentally remove something, you can always add it back. Just go to the app library by swiping left on your home screen, find the app, long press it, and select Add to Home Screen. Also, remember to exit editing mode by tapping Done in the top right corner to save your changes. There you have it. Your iPhone home screen is now clean and customized. This process works on all recent iPhone models with iOS 19 or later in 2025. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.